Good morning. Our day started with a delicious oatmeal with banana, nuts, dried cranberries, and cashew butter. And then we spent some time with the cats before we head to the gym. This is Olivia. At the gym, we basically did the same workout. This is the T-bar row. Always remembering to do the exercises slowly and maintaining good posture. Here I'm doing some kettlebell sumo squats, focusing on bracing the core and engaging the glutes.
Here I go, smashing out some deadlifts, bracing my core, squeezing my glutes at the top, trying to keep a strong foundation there. That's my girl doing as much weight as me, smashing it out as always, looking good, baby. Here I go, I'm doing 70 kilos bench, nice and slow and steady. I could probably double that, but I just wanted to take it easy today.
It was a great sesh. After the workout, we stretched each other and then we head to this local Indonesian restaurant for some cheap meal and pool game. Something spectacular is happening here.
Yeah.
I'm winning this game.
It's like you've been practicing while I've been sleeping or something.
It's just lucky.
Nice.
I'm
You're
lucky.
being guided.
Yeah.
Being guided to make all the right shots.
I don't even know that I'm gonna make the shot, but the shot just happens.
It doesn't even look like it's about to go in, but then it goes bing, 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 in. It's just magical. I'm very impressed.
Now we just have the 8.
And that's mine.
This your
I'm
one
behind me. I'm
and the 8 that I'm gonna make it happen right now.
Pretty close.
Now it's only the 8 that I'm gonna win. No! Yes. It's time for the winner. Off! No! No! So what is this?
Pad Thai steamed tofu.
I think Pad Thai is one of the best post-workout meals.
Yeah?
Because it has noodles, which is very filling, some tofu, and we have more tofu and tempeh coming soon.
Right now.
Yes! That's how you do your proteins. Steam, tofu, and tempeh, no oil.
So then you get a little sauce on there. What happened here? Delicious.
What do we have here?
Type 2. Vegan curry.
What's your impressions about this meal?
Absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
What about you?
I like because it's like simple food with good taste, well seasoned, very little oil, and very filling and nutritious. Just the amount of tofu and tempeh that could be bigger.
Yeah.
But it was amazing.
Agreed.
Also good temperature.
Yep.
Very good. Now waiting for dessert.
So what are you hoping for with this smoothie?
I'm hoping
Yeah. What are you?
that it's delicious and cold.
Cold and delicious. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright. Boom.
Frozen banana, cacao, water. They usually put cow's milk, but of course we order with water.
That's
and peanut butter. Delicious.
3 toppings on top. Epic healthy dessert meal.
Meal done. Now tell us how much for this meal.
In Aussie dollars, the pad thai was $2.80 each. The smoothie bowl was $4.50. and the curries were like $4.50. I think, or maybe cheaper. Maybe like $3, $3.50 something.
Let's find out.
Crazy cheap altogether. Yeah, thank you.
Hello? 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 Still sleeping. What about my massage? I deserve massage. I deserve massage. Hi, Dexter. Hello. That's what you want. Here, let's play. Be careful with your tail. I can't film and pet two cats, so I choose petting cats. What a beautiful sunset. What are we having now?
Breakfast.
Leftover breakfast.
Breakfast for dinner.
We had late lunch, so we are kind of full. And we're gonna sleep early.
I'm kind of lazy.
Yeah.
Want some big stuff? Here you go.
Not interested.
Good.